Alright y'all, it is time to do meal planning and meal prep for the week. So I get my meal planner out as I've shown you. This is the meal plan that I've come up with. It's kind of hard to read, but Tuesday is today. I made some chicken curry with cauliflower, rice, and a salad. Wednesday, I'm going to do a what I eat today Wednesday. So I'm going to do a cook with me of my bacon wrapped meatloaf. It's stuffed. And we're going to have some mashed cauli with that. On Thursday, I'm going to make my chicken tenders and roasted cauliflower in the oven. Friday, Jason's going to grill steaks. Saturday, chicken broccoli, spinach alfredo. And then Sunday, we're going to be on the road for soccer again. So we'll come back in the evening and just eat whatever's in the fridge. Meal prep, I'm going to plan to do all of this Tuesday evening and some on Wednesday possibly. I'm going to make some egg loaf, some fat bombs, some pinwheel sandwiches for the kids' lunches, prep some bacon for them to eat over the week, and prep some egg casserole, a sausage, bacon, cheese, egg casserole for breakfast during the week also. And then I have a couple days of lunch where I'm going out Wednesday and Thursday with some friends, so I'm excited about that. And I have a goal this week of eating a salad a day, so I will order salad when I'm out, and I'll also make salads. I've got some really good yummy stuff to make salads here. Happy Tuesday, y'all. Feels like a Monday, the Tuesday after Labor Day. Here is my grocery haul for today, for this week. I know I love some dairy, so we like dairy in this house. So cheese, Parmesan, 2 bags. This brand was on sale, so this is what we went for this week. I'm gonna do an Alfredo sauce with this, some goat cheese and halloumi cheese for my salads this week. I have a goal of having a salad a day this week. Getting my greens, got some uncured pepperoni, some ham. These are for the kids. This was not from the grocery store, but we just ordered these and we are loving them. You have to order these online, y'all. Cut the carb wraps. Oh my gosh, they're so good. And one wrap is 9 carbs, but it's humongous. So you cut it in half and you get like 4.5 carbs. So I just saw on here that it says keep refrigerated. So that will be going in the refrigerator. Got some grass-fed beef. I'm going to make some meatloaf. So this is some smoked bacon, and then some from the local grocery store. They smoke it there. This is some uncured, just the Peterson's really good quality, no nitrates for my little man because he does not like the smoked. This bacon is smoked, but it doesn't have the super smoked flavor of the fresh smoked, if that makes sense. Got a couple more kinds of wraps. This is high fiber, low carb wraps for the kids for their lunches. We do pinwheel type things. You've seen me do those before, so we'll be making more of those for them. This was the Parm crisp that they had at this grocery store. They were a little pricier, but they're really big, like way bigger than the little crisps that I'm used to. So we'll see how those are. I'm anxious to try those as croutons for my salads. Got some spinach for my Alfredo and broccoli. I'm going to do spinach, broccoli, chicken Alfredo one night. This is for the kids to try when I'm not feeling good or I'm not around. It is a pasta that you just do in the microwave, and it's got some Alfredo sauce on it, and it's got some spinach and lentils in the actual pasta. So thought we'd try those. Some mixed greens for my salads. There's some baby arugula. There's some like a spring mix. Some more almond milk and ice brew coffee. That cold brew coffee I just am really, really loving. Also got some organic broccoli microgreens just to pump up my nutrients in my salads. Some celery that they already prepped for me because I was feeling a little lazy, and this is for kids' lunches. More for kids' lunches. Caroline loves lima beans and she likes hummus, so I thought we'd try this. Underneath that is some jalapeno pimento cheese. Let's see. These two were on sale, so we got some fruit for them for the week. Some pumpkin. I'm in the mood to start making some fall things, so I got some pumpkin, and I also got some pumpkin spice. that I can put in my coffee or in egg loaf or things like that. Got some chicken from that smokehouse already cooked and cut up. I like that a lot. It's super easy to throw in to lunches, so that's going to be probably for my salads. Got some horseradish just because I was wanting some. A little bit of heavy cream, and I think that is it for our haul. Alright, we're going to start meal prepping for the week. It is Tuesday night because it's Labor Day this week, so I always start first with bacon because I like to have it ready for them during the week, and also I usually end up using some of it in other things that I'm making, so I always do it first.
What? 6:43. I only take 15 minutes to get this off of you. That's what I've always said. What you making?
I am making, you're standing in the camera, stand like this. I am making egg casserole, bacon and sausage.
Oh, I'm on your side.
Grab me some shredded cheese.
Before I head out? Sure. Supper in your daughter.